The top hairstyles for men is all about low maintenance and natural style. First, the wolf cut is dominating with its choppy layers that combine the best of shag and mullet. Perfect if you want volume and texture without daily styling. All you need is at least 6 inches on top and some texturizing spray to enhance your natural movement. Second, the messy fringe continues trending for younger guys with longer hair in front falling slightly over the forehead. You'll need 4 to 5 inches on top and just a light hold product to achieve this effortless look. Third, the flow remains strong in 2025. Requiring medium to long hair with at least 5 to 6 inches on top to create that cascading, textured appearance. For guys wanting something more sophisticated, the classic side part offers a timeless option that works in any setting. Meanwhile, men with thinning hair should consider the French crop. It's ultra-low maintenance, requiring just an inch on top with faded sides. Surprisingly, the slick back is making a comeback, bringing those vintage 50s vibes but with a modern twist. Finally, the buzz cut remains perfect for the 10% of men with strong facial features who can truly pull it off. The buzz cut works best if you have prominent cheekbones, a defined jawline, or striking eyes, as this style puts all focus on your face. For those who want something more adaptable, the textured crop is gaining popularity. This versatile cut features slightly longer length on top, about 2 to 3 inches, with textured layers that create natural volume. It works with most hair types and requires minimal styling. Just a small amount of matte clay worked through for definition. Another trending style is the modern quiff, a softer version of its predecessors. With 3 to 4 inches on top tapering to shorter sides, it offers flexibility without daily restyling. The key to all these trending styles is finding one that grows out gracefully, reducing those frequent barber visits we've all come to dread. Which of these hairstyles will you be trying this year? Let me know in the comments below.